Hello everyone and welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel. My name is Buddhishwas and I am your SAP HCM trainer. So let's start with our new topic, integration. So what is the meaning of integration in this SAP HCM module and why we use integration? So we make integration of SAP HCM module with FICO module because of payroll. Because in SAP HCM we configure payroll configuration and SAP HCM module have the payroll part and FICO module is maintain all the financial record. So integration is required between HCM module and FICO module because FICO module maintain all the financial record and HCM uh, module have the payroll parts because in HCM we generate or we made payroll for the employees, paid salary to the employees, so that's why. And FICO module maintain all the financial related. So that's why we make our integration between uh, FICO module and SAP HCM module. So how to make integration between HCM module and FICO module? There is two things we have configured for integration with FICO module. First one is fiscal year variant and second one is chart of account. So first we discuss fiscal year variant. After that we will discuss chart of account. So what is fiscal year variant and how to implement, how to integrate, how to configure fiscal year variant. Okay. So suppose if you consider any company. So for payroll, it will be following the financial year, and for the rest of process is follows the calendar year. Okay. A fiscal year variant in SAP defined how the fiscal year is divided into periods for a company code. Means that fiscal year variant divided fiscal year into periods according to months and it determines the start and end of the financial year, how many period it's contain, and whether the periods are standard means calendar based or maybe it's not calendar based because it's not a standard. Not standard or standard means SAP standard. Okay. In SAP HCM, fiscal year variant is important when posting payroll result to finance. Okay, means that what are the payroll configuration we have doing. Then posting the result of payroll means what are the uh, payment related things we have configured when they result to move to the financial module. So how we do? So the payroll period must align with the fiscal period in the controlling system. Example, there is two ways. Okay, two variant K4 and B3. These two variant are SAP standard. So first is K4 means that fiscal year follow the calendar year. Calendar year means that January to December. Okay, and V3 is another variant is V3 means a fiscal year that start with April and ends with March. So only assignment is required because in SAP already these standard fiscal year variant already went. So only assignment is required because SAP provide predefined fiscal year variant. These variant are standardized means SAP standardized and reused across multiple clients or companies or company code. So you don't usually define new ones unless you need a very specific custom calendar. Means if client want to a new specific custom client calendar, then you have to configure a new variant, otherwise not. So you just assign the relevant fiscal year variant to the company code. Okay, so either V3 or K4 as per the requirement aligned to the company code. Okay, means only assignment is required here. This way SAP will understand company follow which variant according to the variant follows the financial transaction for the same company. Okay, means that for which company we have configure variant, so according to that company financial transaction that maintain or the same maintain the company. Okay, so what are the steps to configure the fiscal year variant? Okay, we use same as our transaction code SPRO. Through this transaction code we navigate to SAP reference IMG. In IMG we have configure all the function related things or technical analysis, and for a functional consultant IMG is very important. Implementation guide. Okay, here we process or configuration all the customization. Financial accounting, after that we go to financial accounting, because whatever integration, whatever configuration today we have discussed, that all are configured in FICO module. Okay, so that's why financial accounting, and in financial accounting global setting, after that go to ledgers, after that fiscal year and posting period. Now you can assign, see that assign company code to the fiscal year variant. I will show you all this configuration one by one. Okay, and step by step. So go to SAP application. Now click on it, enter user ID and password. Now first for go use transaction code SPRO for configuration. Click on SAP reference IMG, click on financial account, because whatever we configuration in integration, all the configuration we do in FICO module, or here FICO module is financial accounting. Go to financial accounting, go with first one, financial accounting global setting. Okay, now go with ledgers. Now go with fiscal year and posting period. Now here you see, if you want to create a specific custom variant, then go to this way. If you if you maintain the SAP standard, if you make the way of SAP standard variant, then go with only assignment, assign company code to the fiscal year variant. Okay, so click on it. Now here change window, assign company code to the fiscal year variant. So click on position to find our company. Here you see company code, company name, fiscal year variant, description. There are lots of this. Okay, so company code. So what is our company code? Okay, click on SC09. Now here you click on display. Now expand your transport request. Now here you see your company code is 35 TC, because 400 is your client number. So 35 TC is your company code. So now click on position, enter company code. Now here you see TCS Private Limited. This is our company, and to maintain a fiscal year variant, click on it. Now here you see lots of variant defined by SAP standard, and also defined by SAP or defined by employee, and these are some employees are defined their own, like customize fiscal year variant. Okay, so here you see, here you see K4. K4 is our standard SAP standard fiscal year variant. Okay, here you see, this is a fiscal year variant. Now go to V3. This is April to March. Okay, now here you see V3 SAP standard fiscal year variant. There are lots of other fiscal year variant which is customized by the employees, but we select SAP standard fiscal year variant. Okay, now click on continue. Now here you see B3. Okay, now click on save. Click on continue. System takes some time. Okay, now data was saved. Here you see data was saved. Okay, now your fiscal variant is means company code is assigned to fiscal year variant. Come back again, you click on it. Now you see 35 TC. Here you see this is your company code. Okay, now 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 with now this time automatically SAP will understand that company follows the financial year V3. V3 means April to March. So the payroll process is also the same. Means according to the fiscal year variant, according to the financial year variant, like B3, April to March. According to that, payroll is also processed the same. Okay. Now we go with our next topic, chart of account. What is chart of account and how to implement chart of account? Okay, now chart of account. Okay, so basically chart of account organizes the financial account for reporting and analysis. Means all the financial account for reporting and analysis maintained by the chart of accounts or organized by the chart of account. Means chart of accounts is maintain all the financial or the transaction related things of the financial that maintained by the chart and account. A chart of account is a list of all general ledger accounts used by a company. Okay, means it's maintained or it's list of all the ledger account used by the company. It is used to maintain entire financial transaction. Means whatever transaction we do in the company, all the transaction are maintained by the chart of account. Okay, all the transaction is critically in cost allocation and payroll posting from HCM to finance. In HCM, when you integrate payroll with FICO, okay, when you integrate with payroll with FICO, base types, base types we also call the salary types are mapped to the GL account defined in the chart of account. Because when we payroll means when you pay in payroll we generate employee salaries. Okay, so how to we generate and employee salary or we called as base type. So how to it's integrate or how it is mapped with GL account defined in chart type account. Okay, so chart type account is kind of master account for the finance. For example, like it's maintains GL accounting, balance sheet, finance statements, tax, loans, bank account maintenance, etc. Okay, so chart type accounts we receive 4-digit codes. either numbers, maybe it's number, alphabet or alphanumeric code. That's you have to define in SAP. This code will be getting from the SAP FICO team. Okay, means SAP FICO team provide these codes, and the code you have to assign to the company, and this code is assigned to the company. Okay, so both definition and assignment are required. Okay, because here we first define, after that first define the chart of account, after that assign to the company code, because in company code we maintain all the transaction related things. Okay, company transaction related things. So you defined a chart of account to specify the structure, GL account number, range, account types. Then you assign define CO to one or more company code, then we use it. This allows for flexibility. One CO can be used by multiple company codes, means group level reporting, or each company code can have its own CO, means every company code have one CO, but it's maybe group level recording. Okay, reporting. So what are the steps how to maintain a COA, means chart of account? Okay, use the same transaction code SPRO, and navigation path is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data. After that, GL accounts, preparation. Under preparation, you see edit chart of account. Here you create chart of account, and second one is assign company code to the chart of account. So these two configuration we will do. Okay. So now start. Now come back. Enter transaction code SPRO. Go to SAP reference IMG. Now go to financial accounting. Now here general ledger accounting. Click on it, expand it. Now click on master data, means expand it, expand general ledger accounts. Now expand preparation. Now you see edit chart of account list or assign company code to the chart of accounts. Okay, so click on edit chart of account list. Now here you see change window, list of all chart of accounts overview. Okay, here you see chart of accounts or chart of accounts description. Okay, now defined chart of accounts. Click on new entries. Okay, now here you defined uh, TCS chart of account. Okay, chart of account. This is your code. Okay, now TCS chart of account, chart of accounts. Okay, now here you see language, management language, in what language all these transaction are maintained. So according to we select English, because in India English is preferred. Okay, so click on English. Now length of GL account number or group chart of account, these two are the parts of FICO consultant. Okay, so we don't maintain these two parts. Okay, so now click on save button. Now our transport request is same transport request. Click on continue. Now here data was saved. Okay, click on back. Now you see it, what we have configured, it is available or not. Click on it, enter chart of account. So TCS chart of account, chart of account. Okay, now you see TCS chart of account, we have defined this chart of account. Okay, So when we will working in real time, this chart type account code is shared with the FICO team. Okay, because according to this chart type account code, FICO team maintain the all the payroll, all the salary related or the base type related things of the HCM. Okay, through this chart type account code. Now, how to assign company code to the chart type account? So come back. Here you see assign company code to the chart tab account. Click on it. Here you see a window, change window. Assign company code to the chart tab account. Okay. Now click on position and here you see company code, company name, city. Okay. Chart tab accounts or alternative chart tab accounts. Okay. All the column we have discussed. Don't worry. Okay. Now click on position. Enter company code 35 TC. Okay, click on continue. Now here you see our headquarter location is Bangalore, that why it is show Bangalore, and the company code is TCS Private Limited 35 TC, and here is your chart of accounts. Okay, so if you not remember your chart of accounts, so click on F4 help and here you find. Okay, so chart of account you defined TCCA. Okay, so find it. Okay, TCCA. Here you see TCCA, TCA chart of account. Select it and click on continue. Now you see. Okay. And there is another column alternative COA. Alternative COA means that is a secondary or additional chart of accounts assigned to meet specific reporting requirements such as group chart of account for entire reporting across multiple company codes. Okay, means if we use multiple company codes, then we use group CO and country specific chart of accounts means to meet local legal or tax reporting requirements. Okay, so these chart of accounts do not replace the operating chart of accounts. Operating chart of accounts means this is our operating chart of accounts, or here we are defined group chart of accounts or country specific chart of accounts to maintain multiple company codes and tax and legal related to the companies or countries. Okay, so operating chart of account means the main one used for day-to-day posting but are used in parallel for reporting and compliance. Okay, reporting and compliance means parallel with group chart of account or company specific chart of account, but mainly we not maintain this alternative chart of accounts. Okay, because this is optional. In day-to-day life we use this chart of account. Okay, so this is optional or this we maintain if any client want to do. Okay, so but mainly client not want to do this group chart of accounts with according to the company code. A specific chart of account means operating chart of account is defined, so that we already defined. Okay, now click on save button. Now here you see the same transaction code where we will want to save. Click on continue. Now data was saved. Okay, here you come back. Now if you want to click on it again and if you want to see, click on position, click company code 35 TC. Now 35 TCS Private Limited, here we have our chart type account. Okay, now this way we have maintained they have configured how to integrate SAP HCM module to the SAP FICO module, and how to maintain, how to configure all the financial, means all the payroll related things, how to maintain FICO consultant. Okay, so a integration is required between that. So after that we maintain or we configure all the transaction.